Westfield, Culver City? Or y'all call this Fox Hills Mall? I don't know. Let's look around. And if you're not from the area, a car hit this place a few days ago. That was freaking crazy. And I guess they haven't had a chance to get it fixed.
The Fox Hills Mall in Culver City, where a person has been hurt after this accident. You can see the car has, or the SUV, it looks like, flipped on its side, excuse me, after jumping a curb and crashing into a store. Again, this is at the Fox Hills Mall.
And for y'all new to the channel, they do have like a nice little Jordan section right here. Got a huge 23 right there as well that they use for a display. I want to say Chic's one of the stores that's had some of the better deals lately. $100 for the Luca. It's right there. Got the Zion 3s. Have not seen this too many other stores, so that's pretty dope. That is retail. What's retail? $140 now for the Zion 3s. $80 for these mids. And this is an SE, so the materials just hella nice on this. One of the better materials on any of the mids. $160 for these Gore-Tex right here. $140 for these, normally $2 And then out of the lows, I think this is one of the nicer ones, all suede. Yeah, $125. These are an SE because the material on these are hella nice, kind of like a craft. It gives me like a craft vibe. But yeah, they definitely do have a lot of lows right here. These are all the mids right next door. All the women's Jordans right here. $125 for those. They got the aluminum foil 1 highs that just came out. Or are these mids? Oh, these are highs, duh. But yeah, $180 for those. Got a couple of comforts, $140 and $100 for those. I saw these from the top. I was like, are these the reimagined? No, these aren't the reimagined. White cements right here. These are nice, dude. I do like these. Do you like these? Oh, it shows what day they came out. That's kind of cool. Not too many spots have that. Not bad, not bad. I'm not a big fan of the sale midsole, but I do like that orange. It's like a pastel orange. They do got their selection of dunks right here. They got more dunks right there as well. Line of Cortez right here. I don't think I've seen these two suedes, have I? These are women's Cortez right here, $90 for those. These are going for $80. Okay. Has Foot Locker been any good lately? I feel like I need to hit up another mall, dude. I feel like Foot Locker, JD been pretty whatever. It's been Chic and Shoe Palace. Those have been the two hot spots, in my opinion. I've been seeing these at more and more places. The Jordan 2 3s. What do you guys think about when they combine the Jordans like that? The 2 upper does have the 3 outsole, midsole. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? $160 for those. I'd rather just get a pair of 2s or 3s, but whatever. Couple of 5s here. So many Jordans available. Highs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different OGs. Oh my goodness. Or OG highs, that is. But yeah, I got some lows here as well. Oh, what the hell is up with that color? I'm not a fan of that colorway right there. Is that a PG jersey? Go for $90. Those are normally what, $120, $130 or something like that. $120, so $30 off. And we got Lakers pants right here, 50% off. I'm not digging that. I don't know. I'm not digging that one for some reason. I don't know. So it's $90 down to $45 for those. And then the summer is upon us, so hoodies also going on sale. Will we see any of this at the Foot Locker outlet though? That'd be pretty fire, dude. 50% off. What are these normally though? So normally $95, so $47.50. Not bad. I just don't dig that new logo. Not a fan of that logo. I'm all about buying off season though. These are going for 50% off as well. And these are what, $95, so $47.50 for those. And then these are down to $60. These are actually more expensive than the Clipper stuff, more than the Lakers. Okay. LeBron 4 graffitis. I've not really seen these anywhere else. Okay. Got the anthracite one right here. Then we got the Zoom Generations right here, $140. Then 20s. Then the 21s also on sale. Okay. The rest of the colorways for the LeBrons. Got KDs on the bottom as well as the Jaws as well. Oh, okay. I guess we do got some Zoom Freaks. I always forget to show the Zoom Freaks because nobody really asked for them, I guess. All the old school Nike basketball. Got all the dunks up top. Also got mids as well as the highs. And then dude got the GT jumps right here. GT jump 2s. I am a fan of these, man, especially for big guys right here. I think this is probably the shoe, but has React, has Zoom Air. Looks super nice, dude. Seen a few sales tags on stuff that we've been seeing, Air Max Plus as well as Blazers. Not really seen too many sales tags though. I thought we would have seen more. I guess they do have the Jordan 1 Low OGs right there. I've not seen these in person. I did hear they didn't sell out during release day, so I guess they got some left. We got a JD here. We have a Champs. We also have a Lids. We'll see how many I can make. I was like, they still got men's here? No, not really. Got grade school. I was hoping to find a pair of these at the outlets. It'd be dope if I could find a men's pair. 20-30% off. That'd be fire. Or we are seeing... Oh, these are Jordan 1s. Why is there a Jordan 1 in between the dunks? What the hell? Well, we do got these on sale, as well as these mids and some Air Forces. We'll see plenty of the dunks also go on sale. The dunks were just like these, where they made a million different kinds, different colorways, different materials. And everybody is broke. Everybody's broke. I know how that is. So, yeah, we're not really buying that much right now. So everything's going to go on sale eventually. Air Max 1s, they made a plethora of different colorways of these. We're seeing a bunch of those go on sale. Vomero 5s, they made a ton of colorways of those. P6000, starting to see some of those go on sale. Good time to be patient, man. Board Chops, they've been getting interesting stuff lately, so we gotta check them out. Do still got a pair of those left over. SB Dunk Highs, and then got a few of these. One thing I love about this board shop, they always let you know exactly what sizes they have. One of my boys wants one of these, but I've told y'all so many times, dude. Bastards. Where did you go, fool? They got the 808s on sale. Thiago Limos is the signature skater for those. 480. These are hella clean. Oh, this is that nice leather too. This is really nice material. What are these going for? $100? They're hella clean. I like those. I like them. Got some 1010s right here. These are okay. BRSBs right here. Kind of reminds me of like the Cortezes, and make sure that's something else. $60 for these. SB Forces, pretty clean silhouette right here, going for $80. Got an all black one right here. Some of the color blocking is not bad. Like this color block is pretty dope. If you're into the Blazers, I think the SB Blazers, I think they look nicer. I think they have slightly better material too. I got this one right here, number 98. Grant Taylor. Okay, got those right there. Got the GTs right here, the Grant Taylors. And these are the Blazers. These are way nicer than just the regular Blazers. I'll go for $50. Got plenty of sizes, plenty of colorways as well. Do got a Champs? I'll look around. Question is, any sales? 2002 Rs. Normally these are $150, so $50 off. Not too shabby, not too bad. And this one has some really nice materials on this one. Okay. 574s. Decent color right here. You can match this with almost anything. What, $20 off? Yeah, both of these clean colorways. Is it the same one? It's the same one, fools. Why y'all making me show the same one? Alright, they got a couple up top right here. Both of these, you also get $20 off. Also have a wheat colorway of that as well. Got some of the curries. Got a bunch of different curries here. I feel like Champs had more curries than almost everyone else. Mellows on sale. If you guys want Mellows, definitely stop by Champs. Do not go to Foot Locker because Foot Locker has them for regular price. That's a new colorway of the MB3s. I've never seen that colorway. It has some suede on it. This is grade school only. Has some suede on it. Okay. Kind of weird with all the eyes. Now, why y'all looking at me, fools? I got these of the ones right here. And this colorway is just wild. Wild. Y'all wild. 125. Then Homer, that fool's still staring at us. Why you being creepy, fool? Why you being creepy, man? Kind of like this one. Kind of like this one. But yeah, it's 150. 150. And do got the last chance section right here. A lot of grade school deals right here. Got some Huaraches right there. Air Max Plus. $80 for the MB1s right there. $60 for these. That's might be the cheapest we've seen those. Actually no, we've seen the men's at the Foot Locker outlet, right? Cheaper. Nothing too crazy though on the kids. And the men's on this side, just not seeing many sales. Crazy. Not many sales at all. There are 3 different resale shops here. I don't know how all 3 resale shops survive, especially since the resale shops in the malls tend to be hella high in price. I was just talking to Bossco about that, but look, they get a lot of visitors here, a lot of travelers here. This is, I think, the closest mall to the airport, so a lot of people come by right before they leave. Look at that, man. Look at how much stuff they got. Holy cow. Stopping by a couple more Ross. I see some of you guys finding all kinds of heat. Man, I'm just finding retro P's and stuff. Like, these are comfy, but they're not crazy. They're not crazy. $45 for both of these. Does have full length boost. Interesting looking Converse. Bunch of woven textiles, $43. That Cosmic Unities right next door? Yeah, Cosmic Unities go for $67. Another one right here. 67's insane, dude. Another one of these Sean Witherspoons nobody's looking for. Some Under Armours right here. Thought these were Project Rock. $42. That's the cheapest we've seen Project Rock. 42 bucks. Got some bands. The hell? Velcro? 35. Got some Crocs right here. They talk about for these Crocs. These are size 12. $25. That's too big. Moving over to the women's section. Do got some Chuck All-Stars right here. $40 for those. Those are a big size. I've been seeing these lately, the Human Race slides. This should be in the men's. Put in women's because it's pink. $20. These retail for $100. Wow. Another one right here. Got Project Rock in the women's. $40 for these bad boys. Okay. Got some Adidas right here. I think that's Lisa from the future. I think that's Lisa from the future when she's in college. $29.99 for those.